Hey guys, this is John and welcome to a second beginning of Java programming tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be telling you what text editors are and why are they used. Now, in the previous tutorial, I showed you how to run a Java program using a command prompt. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to run the same program using a text editor. The most popular text editor for Java is Eclipse. So let's first download the text editor. Go to Google search and type in Eclipse. Eclipse was founded by Kepler. Kepler is the guy who invented Eclipse. He is a genius. Sun Microsystems invented the Java language. He invented the editor to write that language. So in turn, Eclipse became as popular as Java. We just latched on to Java's growing growth. Okay, you go to downloads, you come to this page and click, and you have to download this Eclipse IDE for Java. And you have to see whether your system is a 32-bit or 64-bit system and download. Most people don't know whether their system is 32-bit or 64-bit. So, not to find that, I'll tell you how to find that. Go to my computer and click properties. Once you click properties, you give system type 64-bit operating system. My system is 64-bit operating system, so it will show you here itself whether if your system is 32-bit, it will come 32-bit operating system. 64-bit will come 64-bit operating system. So you can close this, close that, and minimize. So you know that your system is whatever type of system you have. Download that thing, and once it's downloaded, you can go to my computer, go to the place where you downloaded it, and you have to first extract it. After this will be the downloaded. This will be the downloaded file actually. And once you extract it, it comes something like this. Yeah, and this is your Eclipse program. Click it, it'll run. If you don't install your JDK, this won't run. So you have better install your JDK properly. It is there in my first tutorials. And loading workbench. What is workbench is, this is the place where all your main Java program and class files will be there. Suppose if you want to add something extra or add some apples, that only should go. Okay. Now what you should do is, I had already been working on a new program since it's coming there. So file. Yeah, I just forgot to do something. Okay, now where did I go? Okay, now whenever you open Eclipse, this thing will come. What you should do is go to File, New, Java Project. In Eclipse, you can write any kind of language you want, like Ajax, C, C++, any kind of language you want. And after I write the code, I'll tell you the advantages of using a text editor. So I'm going to name my project as check finish. Okay. What it does is, in this package explorer here, you'll get a new thing called check. Click this, source, and left click source and click new class. And the name of the class, type whatever the name of the class you want. Type in Johi, or I'm going to type the name of my class as check. You can type it as whatever you want, Okay. Package check means this is where the class is, and public class check. See, when you type this, automatically started writing the template for you. Now what you have to do is, okay, something going on. I have been writing a major program, so some problems. Yeah, okay. First, let's go back to our tutorial. Okay, now you remember what I told you back then. Now in this tutorial, I'm not going to be actually explaining you the entire code of the program. I'm going to be just showing you why we use a text editor. Public static void main. Remember last time I got an error here because I used static stuff string. Yeah, so rudimentary error. And what this means is it's calling something very important, and so it's like I'll be telling you later what that means. Just in Eclipse, what you need to do is when you're writing a function, uh, and you just have to type this and press enter, it'll automatically put the second bracket for you. It's like a thing in the Eclipse. It automatically types half the things for you. And system, oh come on, capsys system dot out dot see, in Eclipse is already showing you what all functions are there. So Eclipse is like already knows if you're typing system dot you're probably going to type this only. System dot trap println. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm going to run this. So before we have to go to command prompt, compile it, then we have to run it. But here, just click this, and that's it. Let's see whether you want to run this, and show you. Hello world, your program ran without any errors. It comes down. Your program ran without any errors. Now what you have to do is, now I'm going to show you the advantage of using Eclipse. See, in C or C++, only when you compile it will show you what the errors are. Say suppose here, suppose when I'm writing system, I change this S into small s. You see on red color line here, whenever the red color line appears, it means that there is an error here. So Eclipse, it does three things. First thing is it shows you the error immediately then and there, and not when you're compiling it. See, it's showing you an error. And the second important thing is it tells you how to correct that error. See, it shows you here. See, change to system. See, the error got corrected. So it not only tells you that there is an error, but it shows you what the different ways in which you can correct that error. And another important thing of Eclipse is it it has a lot of predefined functions. Like whenever you type out here and press a dot, the sprint line automatically comes, and it shows you what the different functions mean. So in turn, compiling a program in the text editor is like 1,000 times more easier, and you can write codes faster and without any error. The text editor way more faster than you can write in any other in a command prompt line. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to run. What does all these mean? What does class? Why are we typing here void main string args and system.out.println? And I'll talk, and so subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page, and see you next time.